Climb. They climbed the mountain despite the harsh weather. Paint. She paints landscapes using watercolors. Build. The construction workers build houses quickly. Laugh. They laughed at the comedian's jokes. Teach. Mrs. Johnson teaches math to high school students. Fly. The pilot flies planes across the country. Play. The children play soccer in the park every afternoon. Draw. She draws intricate designs in her sketchbook. Explore. They explore new hiking trails every weekend. Plan. He plans his week meticulously every Sunday. Study. She studies for her exams diligently. Plant. They plant flowers in their garden every spring. Ski. We skied down the slope one by one. Fish. He fishes in the river during the weekends. Shop. She shops for groceries every Monday. Clean. They clean the house thoroughly every Saturday. Fix. He fixes his bike whenever it breaks down. Watch. They watch movies together every Friday night. Gardening. He enjoys gardening in his backyard during the weekends. Listen. He listens to classical music to relax. Run. She runs every morning to stay fit. Jump. The cat jumped over the fence effortlessly. Write. He writes in his journal every night before bed. Dance. They danced all night at the wedding reception. Cook. My grandmother loves to cook big meals for the family. Sing. The birds sing sweet melodies in the morning. Drive. The delivery driver will drive the truck to the customer's location. Read. She reads a new book every week. Swim. We swim in the lake during the summer. Sew. She sews her own clothes.